much, and it doesn't take more than 15, 20 seconds. See this right here? We're gonna just drop them in there. And they're starting to come up already. These are pork skin chicharrones. You fry them up and they expand probably, 10 times. It's probably about 8 seconds and they're almost done.
And what are you cooking them on, Baldy?
We're cooking them on a bullet grill. This grill you can do, you can grill chicken, sausage, fajitas. You can fry fish. You can do tripas. You can see here we're frying some chicharrones. And it didn't take but a little handful, and look at what comes out. And it takes that's about 15 seconds, and they're pretty much done. And these are good. They're very light and fluffy.
And then of course you can season them with just about any spice you want.
Yes. Now, honestly, you really don't even have to season them at all. But what I do is we have some bacon seasoning, and oh my gosh! But my favorite thing to put is just a little bit of OG, wow, or we can do some bacon seasoning. Let's try this one with bacon seasoning. Mix them around. A little bit of bacon seasoning. Mix them out. Let's see how they come out.
Oh, they sound so good.
Yeah.
And it'll let you sign up for the subscription for an email when the store is live, and we'll notify you as soon as it is up and running.
Yes, sir.